Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then act. Confirm your device is joined to the correct SSID because you must separate Wi-Fi issues from ISP outages. Next, inspect the modem and router LEDs. Look for WAN/internet light status and any flashing error patterns. If lights are off, power cycle the modem only. Wait 2 minutes. Make sure you have router admin credentials and your ISP account info ready, since you may need to log in or call support once diagnostics finish. Once done with basic checks, run diagnostic commands from a laptop or phone app. Ping 888 and traceroute to see where packets stop, and ping the router gateway to confirm LAN health. Then log into the router admin page to confirm the WAN IP, DHCP service, and DNS assignments. If the WAN IP is 0.0.0.0 or a private range, the modem or ISP link is failing. Finally, disable VPNs, device firewalls, and custom DNS temporarily. You now apply fixes and verify success. Reboot the modem first, wait 90 seconds, then reboot the router. Test connectivity after each step. If persistent, reset the router to defaults only after exporting settings, then reconfigure basic Wi-Fi and security. Change DNS on the router to 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8 to avoid captive or provider DNS failures, and retest across 2 devices. If the problem persists, call your ISP with modem MAC, error LEDs, and ping/traceroute results. They can provision or escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.